Good morning and welcome to Top of the Morning by Mint, your daily shot of sharp business intel, global trends, and market movers. It's Monday, July 14th. I'm Nelson John. From a fiery crash that shut down a major UK airport to a sell-off shaking up one of India's biggest luggage brands. And yes, another viral WhatsApp rumor biting the dust. Today's top stories are flying fast and hitting hard. This is your Monday morning power brief, and we are diving straight in. A dramatic plane crash brought operations to a grinding halt at London's Southend Airport on Sunday after a small aircraft went down in a fiery explosion. Videos shared online showed a towering fireball and thick smoke rising above the runway. While unverified reports suggest the aircraft was a Beech B200 Super King Air, authorities have not yet confirmed the type or how many people were on board. Essex police said they were alerted just before 4 p.m. local time to a collision involving a 12-meter plane. We're working with emergency services and efforts will continue for several hours, the police added. The airport, located about 35 miles east of London, has suspended all flights until further notice. Nearby, Rochford 100 Golf Club and Westcliff Rugby Club have been evacuated as a safety measure. The East of England Ambulance Service deployed a major response team. 4 ambulances, air ambulance units, and hazardous area teams are on site. As rescue efforts continued, the cause of the crash remains unknown. Southend Airport stays on high alert, and all flight operations are frozen as investigators work the scene. A double whammy hit Dalal Street on Friday. First came the disappointment. TCS kicked off the earnings season with below-par results. Then came the drag. Donald Trump's renewed tariff threats, this time targeting Mexico and the EU. The result? A 690-point drop on the Sensex and a 205-point dip in the Nifty, both closing at their weekly lows. Ajit Mishra from Rattle Broking summed it up. Sentiments is shaky and volatility is here to stay. Nifty falling below its 20-day EMA signals a pause in the upward trend. Bajaj Broking, however, sees light at the end of the tunnel. It calls the recent correction shallow and believes the Nifty could bounce back towards 25,600 if it holds the 24,900 to 25,100 zone. Bank Nifty too is consolidating, not collapsing, with strong support at 55,500. Add to that, FPI has offloaded over 5,000 crore rupees. IPOs are heating up, oil is surging again, and over 50 Q1 results are expected this week. All eyes are now on whether the India-US trade deal hinted by Bloomberg can soothe nerves before Trump's tariff timer that hits on August 1st. The viral WhatsApp forward claiming 500 rupee notes will vanish from ATMs by September 2025? Well, they're totally fake. The government has stepped in to clarify. Through its official PIB fact-check handle, it debunked the widely shared WhatsApp message that claimed that RBI had directed banks to stop dispersing 500 rupee notes, pushing ATMs to only dispense 100 rupees and 200 rupee notes by next year. Quote-unquote, no such instructions has been issued by the RBI. 500 rupee notes will continue to be legal tender, read the firm's statement on X. The message even claimed 75% of ATMs would stop dispensing 500 rupee notes by September 2025, increasing to 90% by March 2026. But authorities have rubbished this as misinformation and urged people to verify such claims from official sources before forwarding them. Meanwhile, on a real currency update, the RBI is indeed planning to issue new 20 rupee notes bearing the signature of its new governor, Sanjay Malhotra. These notes will be part of the Mahatma Gandhi new series, but the older 20 rupee notes remain valid too. So, no need to panic or offload your 500 rupee notes. Yet another WhatsApp rumor bites the dust. A big shuffle is underway at VIP Industries. Dilip Piramal and family, longtime promoters of the iconic luggage brand, have sold 32% of their stake to a new consortium led by multiples PE and investors Mithun Sancheti, signaling a strategic exit from the business. The deal involves over 4.5 crore shares, giving the buyers control of the company and triggering an open offer. While sale price wasn't officially disclosed, sources peg it at 388 rupees per share, a 15% discount to Friday's closing price. VIP, known for brands like Carlton and Skybags, remain a dominant player with 44% market share in India's organized luggage segment. The 15,000 crore industry is booming post-COVID, thanks to rising incomes and a travel-hungry middle class. This isn't the first time the Piramal family tried to sell. Talks with Advent International last year fell through. But now, with rising competition from D2C players like Mokobara and Nasher Miles, the space is heating up. The new buyers see an opportunity in this high-growth market. For VIP, it's the start of a new journey and maybe a new direction. It's dividend season on Dalal Street and the action is heating up this week. Heavyweights like TCS, Bharti Airtel, Kotak Mahindra Bank, Dabur India and IDBI Bank are among a long list of companies set to trade ex-dividend starting today, July 14th. The ex-dividend date is when a stock no longer carries the value of its upcoming dividend. So if you want in on the payout, you've got to own the shares before that date. The week kicks off with Persistent Systems and Craftsman Automation going ex-dividend today. By Friday, the list swells to include Bajaj Electricals, Blue Star, Cummins India, Dabur, Happiest Minds, Safari Industries, and many more. Over 50 companies in total. While some are declaring final dividends, others are executing corporate actions like bonuses and rights issues. This activity not only offers potential cash flow for investors, but also influences stock prices, often drawing short-term trades. If you're building a dividend play or just tracking payout opportunities, this is the week to watch. Check out your holdings and stay alert. These dates could make a meaningful difference in your portfolio. That's all for today. Thank you for joining in. We're eagerly looking forward to our next Top of the Morning episode, which will be packed with the latest news. Until then, this is Nelson John signing off. Have a great day.